for Coach and Kat, maganda yung pinakita nyo ng last 2 games against powerhouse teams. Kumbaga ano lang yung pinaka-assessment nyo dito sa naging ABC stint ng PLDT?
Siguro coming from the Thailand game, na naging proud naman kami sa ginalaw namin. Definitely, mas mahirap talaga yung game today. Kita naman din na, yun nga, kumbaga, yung mga ganong mga 6-footer na yung average, masyadong mabigat para sa amin. Pero hindi naman siya excuse. Sadyang ano lang, siguro yung exposure lang na hinahanap namin. Pero yun nga, kung sa nag-gain namin, marami kami natutunan, saka happy kami na nakapaglaro kami team.
Sa akin naman po, sobrang proud. Proud talaga ako sa pinakita ng team. Yung tuto kasi talaga ng bawat isa, kahit yung mga coaches na talagang i-instruct talaga kami, point by point. And yun, kinapos man, pero ang dami nga din talaga namin natutunan. Tsaka yung gulang talaga yun namin, medyo kulang.
For Kat, after nga ng magagandang performances mo ngayong tournament na to, tingin mo parang open pa yung doors sa'yo in the future na mag-compete internationally and maybe for the country ulit, tingin mo nandun ka na ulit sa level na yun?
Open naman po. Basta hindi naman po masasagasaan yung priority ko with the team, and hindi ko naman kino-close yung door kasi ngayon nga, sabi ko nga po, yung opportunity na ganito, bihira lang talaga na dumating. And yun nga, hindi naman din ako pabata. So yun, grab lang ako.
For Savvy and Wilma, I guess how different was this experience competing in an Asian tournament then with the high level of play also in the PBL? Like, what were the biggest differences that you observed over the past few days?
I think the biggest lesson for me was the first set. I don't think I got 1 point. And that just goes to show that they have a lot, and they're just big. And it's hard to compete against that big of a team when you've been competing against like average 5'10", 5'8" PBL players throughout the seasons. The big, you're going from attacking wherever you want to having to attack not even on the floor, has to go out. So it's a lesson, but like Kat said, I'm just proud of the team for showing out. Kat did a super job. I don't know how she did it, but we definitely wouldn't have been able to compete without her that as well as we did, because it was a super offensive team as well.
It's hard to play with this team with this level, I know. It's like a European style. Tall is the difference. I think it's so tall, the girl, but okay, we today go to the court, we put everything in the court. I think the team fight every point, every ball, so I'm happy for this in my team. Yes.
And Wilma, how much did you enjoy your first stint with PLDT, and would you be open to do it again in maybe a few months?
Sure. I say the first conference, I feel like in home with PLDT, the same like in Petrovan. So I return to my country happy because this opportunity is grateful for me. So I want to say thank you for this opportunity for representing Philippines. For sure, Philippines is in my heart every time. So thank you for this.
Coach, yung sabi niyo nga before nitong sa start ng conference for mag-develop yung team further, seeing na si Kim at si Kiana had more minutes siguro sa this conference, gano'ng kalaking bagay lang din yun moving forward sa other conferences?
Well, yun naman yung yun naman yung objective din ng pagsali dito, yung ma-rotate yung players ng kompleto. Yun nga, natawag din ng sitwasyon na kailangan talaga silang i-activate this past few games. So happy kami na yun nga, may Alcantara Santos sa labas, may Kim sa Kiana sa loob, pwede magpalitan. Kahit sa mga middles namin, nag-start kami with Mika Joy, naging Mika Del. So happy kami na kahit paano, kahit may reinforcement, nagkaroon naman ng minutes halos lahat. So yun, happy kami na nakasali kami dito.
And then Sabi, it has been a while since PLDT has been fully healthy and complete. I guess the progress of Kim and Kiana as well. How excited are you for the upcoming conferences as well?
It's far from now, so hopefully, as a team we grow together, with them on the court. But I'm just excited for the next, PBL because everyone gets better. It's not just us. So as I hope these teams from the Philippines take lessons from this tournament and bring it, to our home court every Tuesday, Thursday, and just Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Sorry, but yes, of course. I just hope that we compete further from here.
Coach, kakagaling ka lang sa longest conference ng PBL. Then, sumali kayo dito. What's next lang for the team after this?
Sana pero knowing yung pinaplan na calendar, parang hindi pa rin. Hindi mahaba masyado yung magiging rest namin. Pero definitely, yung maximize namin yung at least a month of break para makarecover lahat ng tao. Hopefully, bumalik agad si Sab. Joke.
Wow! That was like, what?
Pressure.
Yun nga, yung mga na-game dito, dadali namin yung kailangan i-recover. Para sabang ulit kami by July or June. Kung kailan.
Okay. Pagbabanta.
How about you, Sabi? What's next for you after this?
I actually go home for a little bit. When I'm at home, I actually play in semi-pro tournaments with the girls from Team Canada. So I'll be continuously competing throughout the summer, hopefully safely. But it's not so much of a break for me; it's just maintenance. Hopefully, I can get better back home as well with the coaches back home and just bring some lessons that I've learned back here. But just rest as well and just time with some family because I didn't get to go home for Christmas. So.
Sabi, you received a
I see, sir. Coach, you talked about the importance for PLDT of being able to have the international experience playing foreign teams. After netong stint nyo sa ABC, bukod sa height, siguro ano yung nagpahirap sa inyo na nakita nyo na ginagawa ng international teams na tingin nyo would help PLDT sa PBL?
Ano yung nagpahirap sa amin? Siguro yung experience ng clubs as a team, na yung exposure din nila. For sure, sila rin naman mga nakakalaro namin, matatagal na rin na magkakasama yan. So siguro, yun nga, tulad naman sa the usual sa PBL teams din, hindi lahat nagkakaroon ng opportunity na magsama-sama na matagal din. So itong mga na-experience namin na magkakasama kami, kailangan talaga namin i-cherish kasi yun nga, ito na lang yung makakapagpahabol ng kumbaga bonding saka chemistry nun din. Pero yung nagpahirap, siguro in general high level lang talaga sila. Pero sa nakikita ko naman na trends, hindi naman tayo sobrang layo. Di ba? Kita naman siguro yun sa lahat. May reinforcements man o wala. Aabot at aabot naman talaga tayo dun. Siguro nagpa-delay na lang din talaga yung mga nakaraang taon na walang nangyayari masyado sa Philippine volleyball. Pandemic. Siguraduhin ko na. Yun, kasi may mga like for example sila Wilma, may mga na-share din naman silang mga technical stuff na alam na nila matagal na eh. Tapos tayo papunta pa lang dun. Pero nakikita naman na maganda naman yung progress. So hopefully, for sure makakahabol din naman. It's a matter of paano magtutuloy-tuloy yung mga ganitong mga experiences na nakukuha.
Sabi, you talked about returning to Canada for the next few months, but only whatever you can share about this topic, that you were invited to try out also for the Philippine national team. So would you be open to joining that tryout in the next months, or are you going to Canada?
Maybe in a little bit. maybe December when December comes, but right now it's just not my priority. We just came off of a really long conference, plus the ABC, so I'm going to get as far from volleyball as I can for the next month and then maybe dabble in it, but right now it's not on my list for at least this moment, so just keeping it up, just it's floating.
So focus tayo sa family.
Just, just
Reset
not
really.
volleyball, yeah.
How about you, Wilma? When are you going home?
Yes, after here I go to home for
Tomorrow?
rest, for sure. No, Monday.
Monday.
I go Monday.
What will you do from now to Monday?
I don't know. Maybe drink.
Sabi?
Joke, I don't drink.
Any more questions? No more? I think,
Thank
we're good.
you.
Thank you so much.